A 20-circuit panel has 20 circuit breakers, each rated for a specific amperage. Examples include 15 amps and 20 amps. The total amperage drawn by the circuits connected to the panel should not exceed the panel's rated amperage. Most residential panels have a rated amperage of 100 amps or 150 amps. The number of circuits you can add depends on the remaining available slots and the amperage of the circuit breakers you use. Your local electrical code may restrict the number of circuits allowed in a single panel. Firstly, dual breakers allow you to add 2 circuits in one slot. However, this may not be suitable for high-power appliances or circuits with a shared neutral. Secondly, a subpanel is a separate panel that can be connected to your main panel. This provides more space for additional circuits. Thirdly, if your current panel is too small, you may need to upgrade to a panel with a high rated amperage. The inspector's advice of adding up to 5 dual breakers suggests that your panel has 10 open slots. It's important to verify the amperage rating of your panel and the circuits you plan to add to ensure compliance with code requirements. As a general rule of thumb, you should not exceed 80% of the panel's rated amperage. For a 100 amp panel, this means you should not draw more than 80 amps total. To determine the best course of action for adding circuits to your panel, it's recommended to consult with a qualified electrician. They can assess your specific needs, verify the panel's capacity, and provide safe and code-compliant solutions.